In this video, I will show you how to streamline your workflow by logging sales calls in HubSpot using Claude. This integration is a game changer for busy professionals who want to keep their CRM updated without manually clicking through dozens of menus. Before you begin, make sure your HubSpot account is linked under the connectors menu in your settings. Once that connection is active, you can manage your data using simple natural language commands. To log a call, you should use a specific prompt format to ensure all the details end up in the right place. Start by asking Claude to look into your HubSpot account and specify the contact record by providing the person's name or email address. You will then instruct Claude to log a sales call to their timeline while including crucial details such as the call outcome, the total duration, and a clear summary of what was discussed. For example, you might note that you spoke with a client about a new pricing proposal and mention any necessary follow-up actions. Using this structured approach helps the AI identify exactly where the information belongs. After you submit the prompt, Claude will process the request and interact with the HubSpot API to save the activity. Always ask for a confirmation once the task is complete so you can be sure the record is accurate and up to date. This process saves significant time and keeps your sales pipeline organized with minimal effort. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you stay productive.